In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your year-end account in QuickBooks Online. Reconciling your account is an essential step to ensure that your records match your bank statements, helping you maintain accurate financial records and make informed business decisions. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Transactions. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're there, you should look for the tab that says Reconcile. This is where you'll be managing your reconciliation process. With the Reconcile tab open, the next step is to select the account you'd like to reconcile. This could be any account that you have linked within QuickBooks, such as your checking account, savings account, or any other pertinent account. Selecting the appropriate account is crucial because you'll be matching this account's transactions with your bank statement to ensure everything lines up. Now that you've selected your account, you need to enter the ending balance as it appears on your bank statement. You will also need the ending date of that statement. This information is vital because it sets the parameters for what transactions should be considered in this reconciliation session. Once you've accurately entered the ending balance and date, it's time to proceed by clicking on the Start Reconciling button. At this point, you'll be brought to a new screen where the reconciliation happens. This is where you'll compare the transactions in QuickBooks with those on your bank statement. The goal here is to match each transaction in QuickBooks with your bank statement, ensuring that every deposit, withdrawal, and fee aligns perfectly. If you discover any discrepancies, this is your opportunity to investigate and figure out why the amounts don't match. It might be as simple as a transaction that wasn't entered or a small typo. A helpful tip here is to take your time. Reconciliation is an important step, and rushing through it can lead to errors. The beauty of QuickBooks Online is that it facilitates and simplifies this task, but the responsibility of thoroughly checking and confirming the matches lies with you. Make use of any tools QuickBooks offers, like marking transactions as reconciled or reviewed, to keep track of your progress. Once you've gone through each transaction and everything is accounted for, you're done with the reconciliation. Remember, maintaining accurate financial records is key to your business's success, so it's great that you're taking the time to ensure all is in order, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully reconciled your year-end account in QuickBooks Online. Keep these steps in mind for any future reconciliations, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for joining me today, and happy reconciling!